Welcome to GMPInsights. We are happy to have you here. In this video we will learn about 21 CFR Part 11, Subpart B. So, let me take you through. Subpart B, Electronic Records. Section 11.10 Controls for Closed System. Procedure and controls shall be designed and employed to ensure authenticity, integrity and confidentiality of electronic records, for using closed system to create, modify, maintain or transmit electronic records. Such procedure shall include following. A. System validation procedure to ensure accuracy, reliability, consistent performance and ability to discern invalid or altered records. B. Procedure shall be defined to generate accurate and complete document readable and suitable for inspection, review and copying by agency. C. E-record shall be enabled to retrieve throughout the retention period. D. Procedure shall define access controls, privileges to authorized individual. E. Audit trail shall be secure, computer, generated, time, stamped, independently record operator entries and action with date and time which includes create, modify or delete e-record. Audit trail entries shall have previous record informations for any change in data. Audit trail shall be readily available for inspection, review and audit trail shall be retained as long as subjected for e-record. F. Ensure permitted sequencing to steps and events. G. Ensure that only authorized individual has access to system and electronically signed records. Ensure access control to operation input or output, or alter a record. H. Ensure input data source validity. I. Operator shall have training, education, experience to perform the task. J. Written policies shall hold person responsible and accountable for action initiated under their electronic signature. K. Document for system operation and maintenance shall be adequately controlled, available for use. Time. Stamped development and modification of system procedure shall have appropriate controls. Section 11.30, Controls for Open System. Use of open system shall be employed with defined procedure to ensure authenticity, integrity, and confidentiality of electronic records during creation, modify and maintain. Procedure shall include measures as mentioned for closed system. Section 11.50, Signature Manifestation. A. Signed electronic record shall have all information as mentioned below applicable to display or printout. Signer printer name. Date and time of signing. Clearly mentioned role such as doer, reviewer, approver. Section 11.70, Signature, record linking. Electronic signature shall be linked to their electronic record to ensure that signature cannot be excised, copied or transferred to falsify a record. Thank you all for watching. If you found it informative, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more upcoming regulatory updates. For more next part of 21 CFR Part 11, please subscribe our channel. And click on link below in description for more such videos. If you have any questions or suggestions, please leave them in the comments section below. We love hearing from our viewers and will do our best to respond to your queries. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you never miss an update from our channel. And remember, sharing is caring. If you think this video can benefit someone you know, feel free to share it with them. Once again, thank you for your support and for being a part of our community. We'll see you in the next video. Take care and stay healthy.